This video is brought to you by Iron Cross Automotive. I hope everybody's doing well out there today, and welcome to the channel. Today on the channel we are going to do an unboxing of the Iron Cross Automotive heavy duty rear bumper for their second gen Ram SEMA build that we are working on. And I'd like to thank Tony of Facility Operations and Austin of Sales and Marketing for helping us get these bumpers to land here at the shop here. So the first bumper we're going to do is going to be the rear bumper, and that, let me show you what part number that is, and that is part number 2161594, and this is the raw one. And what they mean by the raw version is that it's not painted, it is just primed, because we are going to do some stuff with these bumpers. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment to the channel so you guys don't miss out on our SEMA build. But what do you say we get into opening and unboxing of the rear bumper, and then in a later video I'll show you the front bumper that we got. So this is how the bumpers came to the shop. They came on a pallet. They were freight shipped by a tractor trailer, and they brought them here to the shop. And we're just going to take these bands off. Like I said, this is the heavy duty rear bumper. Here. Okay, I'm just going to get the other end here. These are packed pretty good. Here is the rear bumper. Let me put that over here. And it does look like it's finished. He did tell me that they were going to put some sort of finish on it, so this way, because of the shipping and to protect it from the elements. So the rear bumper must have been painted. Put that there like that. Here's a box you get with it. So let me bring you around here and show you what this bumper looks like. So here's the bumper straight out of the box, and it nicely built, real rugged. I think it's going to look good on the second gen. It does have the Iron Cross logos on each side of the bumper. It does come with shackle hooks here, so you could hook on some accessory shackles on here. And there is a cutout for your lights on each side for your license plate, and for your trailer hookups. They're already pre-cut out. This way you could always already put your plugs for your trailers right in there. Also in the box, it came with another little box here. And let's open this up and see what we have in here. And inside this box we have some hardware, nut and bolts, and it looks like it also gives you the lights for your license plate. There's also instructions. Also gives you the brackets to mount your bumper to your truck. Gives you two brackets. Put this one on this side. And that's pretty much what you get with your Iron Cross bumper. Once again, I'd like to thank Tony and Austin of Iron Cross Automotive for helping us land these bumpers here at the shop. Once again, Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on the video of the unboxing of the front bumper. As you can tell, that's the front bumper, which we did order that one in raw. And so you guys can see how these look on the SEMA build that we're building. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Wicked Fabz.